face of God. I hold you in my heart. You are a part of me. You are the face of God. Face of God, I hold you in my heart. You are a part of me. You are the face of God. You are the face of God. I hold you in my heart. You are a part of me. You are the face of God.
Put your feet on the ground. Let your energy connect with planet Earth below you. Close your eyes and take your heart in that place where you know that you are one with God and God is one with you. Feel the presence of God within yourself. Feel the enjoyment of God being within you, experiencing all that you are. Experiencing all that you learn. Experiencing all that you do. The presence of God within you never leaves you. And every day, focus on that presence. The substance of God is there to support you, to love you. The energy of love is the highest energy you can ever encounter. And God's creation was based on love. God gave each one of you the capacity to love. The capacity to be a great person. Being a great person is very simple. It's simply recognizing the presence of God in you. And because God is within each and every one of you, you are the face of God. When you look each other in the eye, look for that presence of God within you, and you will see it. You will see it. We are the face of God. We are the face of God.